In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add that emoji keyboard to your iPhone's keyboard. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to Settings, then get into General. That's where you can easily find Keyboard, and once you get into Keyboard, tap at Keyboards at the very top. It will show you the list of all your keyboards. I have there English keyboard, Russian keyboard, and emoji keyboard. I'm gonna delete it now to show you how to add emoji keyboard to your iPhone's keyboard. By the way, if now we head over to any app that uses keyboard, we can find out that there are no longer that emoji keyboard button located here because I have just deleted it from keyboards. To add emoji keyboard, tap right here and then search for emoji. After that, tap on it and it will be immediately added to your keyboards. As you can see, I can again use that emoji keyboard to quickly add images to any text. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.